Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this A4 portable thermal printer for reviewing purposes. So let's open it up, and I think that it's nice because, well, it's a thermal printer, not a ink printer, so you can take it with you anywhere that you need, and it's gonna be perfect for, well, um, university works and everything. We get a roll of thermal paper and the main unit manual, okay, with all the steps and um information that you need to use it, which I think that it's great. In here, well protected, we have the main unit. Okay, as I've said, it's meant for travel, so it's really portable. Has a really nice and simple design. Okay, as you can see, has a really nice size, and we get also the USB Type C charging cable. Okay, it goes into this port right here. You can use it with your computer or with your cell phone, however you want it, which I think it's really great. You also get a USB-A to Type-C adapter in case that we need it. And the thermal paper goes right here. Okay, give me a second. Goes like this. Okay, now that we have placed the paper, I'm gonna bring on my cell phone to test it out with both of them. Okay, come on. Okay, as you can see, I have already turned it on, and to use it with your cell phone, you just need to download an application called DocPrint, which is this one. Okay, and we can make some customized graphics, graffitis to print, select a photo or a document. Okay, which I think that it's nice. I'm gonna select a document from our local files. I'm gonna get it on. I'm gonna select it, and it imports. Okay, we select it, print all. I'm gonna select, and it starts printing. Okay, my document was a 2-page one, but I think that it's great that it comes like this. We can cut it off, and we have our document right here. Okay, it's really quick because, as I've said, it's just a thermal printer, and now we can just, well, cut it out onto the size that we want, or we can be printing page by page, and we can rip it off, which I think that it's really great. Something that I also like is that, as I've said, you can print some photos. I'm gonna print one. I'm gonna print this kind of like tags. Okay, as you can see, this is how an image looked. It also wasn't a very complicated image, but I think that it's nice that you get the option to print some images, documents on the go. It's really easy to set it up with um, your cell phone, which makes it really useful. Another function that I think that it's great with this wireless printer is that if you press this print button, it will give you a little bit of space. In that case, if you print, I don't know, like an image, it will be just below the cutting line, and by pressing it, you can cut without cutting through the image, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, I think that it's really nice, really useful, very practical to have it with you on any kind of troubles, or even at your college campus if you need to print, I don't know, an essay or anything that you need to use it. I think that it's really nice. And overall, because it has a really compact size, really easy to use, and, well, overall great impression quality, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.